Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am doing my very first power hour, and it's also in a collaboration with Nicole. Her link will be in the description box below, so when you're done watching my video, please head over to her channel and check out her power hour. She also does clean with me's and vlogs, so if you guys like my channel, you'll definitely like hers. So please make sure to stop by her channel and let her know I sent you, because she will greatly appreciate it, and so will I. I'm not going to be doing a lot of voiceovers, so I just want you guys to enjoy this video, and hopefully it motivates you to get up and start cleaning. Really spent most of my time in my bedroom cleaning. I didn't realize it takes me more than an hour to clean my bedroom, but apparently it does. And yeah, you'll see towards the end that I won't make my power hour, but at least I tried. That's really all that counts, right? So you guys, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at Styled by Rosario. I would really greatly appreciate it if you guys follow me on there. And just to let you know, I'm going to do a little giveaway soon. I'm not exactly sure what I want to give away yet, but yeah, just follow me on the Instagram and you guys will be updated on when I'm going to post my giveaway. I almost forgot, if you guys are new and enjoy this video, I do a lot more and a lot of decorating videos as well. So please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. I would greatly appreciate it, and I appreciate all my comments and all the love I've been getting so far, and I truly love doing YouTube videos. It's just, so exciting to see other people's videos and how nice other people are. So I really thank you guys for viewing my videos and being so nice and kind to me.
So I didn't get it done. Okay.
So yeah guys, I didn't make my power hour, but that's okay. This is my very first one and I could only get better from here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember, Nicole's link will be in the description box below. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.